Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are making egg stew, and this egg stew is so simple to make. First, you add some oil into your pot on fire. You go in with some sliced onions, and then you can be generous with your onions. If you have so much, just be generous with it. You want to stir these and make sure that everything just simmer and fried very well. Yeah, before you go in with your tomato paste. Okay, you want to achieve something just like this, then you go in with your tomato paste. And one thing you should know is that whenever you are using tomato paste to make your stew, make sure you fry your tomato paste very, very well. You'll see the outcome after this video, okay? If you fry it very well, you don't have this sour taste, and then you don't feel the fresh tomato paste, okay? You just feel it normal. You don't even feel there is tomato paste in your stew. That is if you fry it very well. So you have to take your time to fry until you see it having this round feel, okay? Just make sure you fry it very well. And if you achieve something like this, meaning yes, it's in good shape for you to go ahead to use your pepper mix. So with this pepper mix, what I did is I cut everything into a bowl and then a pot, okay, and then I added some cooking oil, covered it, and I allowed it to simmer for a few minutes on the fire. After it cools down, I went ahead to blend it into this fine puree, just as you see. This adds more flavor to your stew, okay? It adds so much flavor. There is no water added here. So after I put everything into the pot like this, all I did was to mix everything very well so the tomato paste and the pepper mix will just come into blend together, okay? And then I went ahead to cover this and allowed it to simmer for a few minutes, okay? You want to cover it so that the vapor, the steam, everything will just be in your pot and everything will just come out so well. After a few minutes, I went ahead to add my homemade natural spices. Okay, I have a video of that. I'll link it in the description. I added some curry and then I mixed everything until they are well combined before I went ahead to cover it again for some minutes more. After a few minutes, look at our stew. It's just good, and I added some Maggi shrimp seasoning. Also, I added some salt to taste, and I went ahead to stir this. I want to make sure that everything is well incorporated, like everything is just blended so well in the stew. And you can see the stew is just coming out so well. And after we achieve something like this, just go ahead and add your egg, the egg you've already beaten. Make sure before you beat your egg, you add a little salt to it, because when you add this egg to the stew, it's going to take out the whole taste in the stew. So add a little salt so that when it gets into the stew, everything will just blend very well. When you add your egg like this, make sure you don't mix immediately. Okay, do not mix it immediately. Cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. If you mix immediately, your eggs will break and you don't see them, like they'll not be visible in your stew. They'll just be small in your stew, and we don't want that. So after a few minutes, all I'm doing is to make way for the others that are not like cooking properly. Okay, so you can see I'm just gentle here, so you have to be very gentle. And we are going to cover this and we'll come back and you see how it looks. So look at it. Okay, look at this. Look at this. After you mix all of this together, you have this good egg. It will be as if you scramble the egg on a different pot, in a different pot, and you just poured it in your stew. And when you are enjoying your egg stew, you feel the eggs, okay? You feel them. So I will add the number of eggs and other ingredients in the description. So do all to refer to that. If this today is your first time coming across my video, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful. Click on that bell notification icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. And you can enjoy this video with your friends. So do well by sharing to your friends and loved ones so that this Christmas they can give their best to their visitors. Okay. I hope to see you on the next video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.